Good morning.
Hi, Nana. This is Hope, and she's a red milker. One thing I love about goats is that they're playful and they're cuddly.
Is it very hard to milk a goat?
No.
Do you have any tips?
So you want to grab the udder by the top,
Or the teat?
the teeth,
Mm-hmm.
and then you want to just pull down.
Squeeze it off. There. That's awesome. You do a good job.
No, like
How long have you been milking goats?
for like
How old were you when you started milking goats?
I like 5,
5, yeah, I think so.
7 years.
That's crazy. Do you think other kids should milk goats too?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Great bonding.
They what?
It's a great bonding experience.
It is. It really is. What do you like about Hope?
She's my baby.
She's your baby.
She's Evelyn's baby.
Yeah.
Who was babied
By
Chores.
Cherry, yeah.
Who was
And
mine.
we feed them little lightning here. Ooh. We feed them rolled barley in the morning. And these guys are just undercover because they're afraid of lightning, and Winnie is thinking she's going to go and get the lightning because it's a threat. She's an Anatolian Shepherd. She's my old girl. Love that dog. Her job is to protect these guys, and that's what she's doing.